Hi, I'm Corey, student physical therapist. Today we will be going over 2-point and 4-point gait pattern, as well as turning and return to sit. You can refer to Zach's video, skill 37, for fitting of the Loftstrand crutches and sit to stand. Here we go. When instructing a patient with a new gait pattern, be sure to demonstrate the pattern for your patient. The 4-point gait pattern gives the patient 3 points of contact on the floor at all times, giving the patient more stability. So Zach, I'm going to have you take your crutch and take it one stride length out, and then the opposite leg, take one step, having your toe fall in line with the crutch, and then take the trailing crutch, one stride length out, opposite foot falling in stride with the crutch. Two-point gait pattern is going to be less restrictive and allow your patient to walk with a more normal gait pattern. So Zach, we're going to take the right crutch and the left leg and advance them at the same time. Again, with your toe falling in line with the crutch. Alright, so we're going to be teaching Zach the 4-point gait pattern. But first you want to make sure your patient has good posture, eyes looking forward, and the crutches are just forward and lateral of his 5th metatarsal. When guarding the patient, you want to be on the impaired side, shown by Zach's rolled up pant leg. You're going to have your feet in a nice L shape with your back leg behind his feet and your front leg facing the way that you're walking. You're going to grab the gait belt with a supinated hand grip, and then you'll have your opposite hand hovering above his shoulder in case he loses his balance. Alright, so Zach, you ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, so I'm going to have you advance your left crutch, and then advance the opposite foot with your toe falling in line. Good. And then right crutch. And then left foot. Good. And then continue that sequence. Good. When changing directions, you're going to have your patient move the outside crutch first. Good. And then with your left foot, take a step, pointing your toe in the direction in which you're changing. Good. 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 And just keep walking away from the wheelchair. Alright, so Zach, I'm going to have you turn to face away from the wheelchair and then back up where your legs are touching the back of the wheelchair. Alright, good. While keeping contact with the patient through the gait belt, you want to make sure that the wheelchair has locked or is locked. Alright. Now I'm going to have Zach take his arm out of this crutch and place it in his other hand. And then reach back for the wheelchair with that hand. Now Zach, I'm going to have you slowly lower yourself down to the chair. Good.